Today, I'm here to talk about the rapidly growing electric vehicle market and the new challenges it presents for lubricants. As you know, electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular due to their main advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. They are more efficient, produce fewer emissions, and are quieter to operate. However, the increasing use of electric vehicles also presents new challenges for the lubricant industry. One of the main challenges is the presence in electric vehicles of electronic components, a new material, both metallic and plastics. The presence of copper in electric motor and electronic components requires lubricant formulators to develop new technologies and test methods. Traditional test methods are no longer adequate to assess the performance of lubricant in this new application. That's why our company has developed new methodologies to evaluate the compatibility of lubricants with the material present in electronic motor, electric control units, and batteries. One of these tests is the compatibility test, which is performed using this equipment that allow us to perform compatibility tests with parameters defined according to customer requirement and the application. We can perform tests at different temperatures, run thermal cycles, and even control humidity. We also have the possibility to perform active tests by applying electric current to the electronic circuit. At the end of the test, we also perform investigation using an electron microscope to evaluate in detail the compatibility with all the components that have been exposed to the oil. This type of testing is essential to support customers in choosing the right materials to use and to avoid potential failures. In conclusion, the electric vehicle market is a rapidly growing market that presents new challenges for the lubricant industry. Our company is committed to developing new technologies and testing methods to meet these challenges and to ensure that our customers have the access to the best possible lubricants for their electric vehicles.